For lawn maintenance in Minneapolis, we have a lawn care special. That includes weekly mowing, a monthly edge and trim, as well as spring and fall cleanup. With fall cleanup, we haul away the leaves. With our mowing service, we sharpen the mower blades every time before we go out and mow every single day, and we keep the mowers at 3-inch height so that we can grow a thick, lush lawn. We also offer organic fertilization and weed control through hand weeding. This separates or sets our services apart because most companies are focused on instant results that will look good this year or maybe for a couple years down the line, while simultaneously degrading soils through the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, while our service focuses on organic fertilizers and the use of aeration and overseeding to really help improve soil health, including growing fungi and bacteria that wrap themselves around roots, protect the plants from diseases, and feed the plants by actually being able to dissolve organic matter as well as sand, silt, and clay and turn that into nutrients to feed the plants. So we're following nature's recipe, which always leads towards a longer-term solution of a thicker lawn, healthier turf, and a space that kids and pets and everybody can be on the whole time without having to worry about pesticides.